Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to Varda's Cuisine. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. Let's start the recipe of chicken fried rice. Here I take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, 1 cup of shredded chicken, and 1 half teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. On medium flame, fry the shredded chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. You can also use the chili ketchup. Now mix it very well and fry it on medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now here I shred 2 carrots. Now add the shredded carrots. On medium flame, we're going to fry all the veggies and the chicken. Stir the spoon continuously on medium flame. Now, I use 2 bell peppers. Now you can cut it into any shape, desired shape, and add it into the pan. Mix it very well on medium flame. Mix all the 2 veggies and the chicken. Fry it on a medium flame. At this time, it releases very good fragrance. It only take 3 to 5 minutes, not more than that. Now it's ready, you can see. Now take 1 small onion, take 4 tablespoons of oil. Add this into the cooking pot. Now fry the onions until it turns light brown, not a golden brown. We just give the color of light brown like this. Here I take 1 Maggie Cube, crush it and add it into the pot, cooking pot. Now stir the spoon continuously. After that, we're going to add maximum 4 cups of water. Here we are preparing our rice. So add 4 cups of water and adding the salt. You can add the salt according to your taste. Here I am adding 2 teaspoon of salt. After adding the salt, cover it with the lid for at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see the water is boiled. Now add half kg rice. Now, when you add the rice, after that, the rice will absorb all the water. You can see the rice are half done, not fully cooked. It's half done. It absorbed all the water. After that, you're going to add, for giving the good color, we add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now mix it very well. Here my veggies that we fried, chicken and veggies. Now I'm going to add it, give a layer. Spread it evenly. Now cover it with the lid for at least 5 minutes so our rice will be done. So after the 5 minutes, you can see our rice are fully cooked. Now mix it very well. Now you can see the combination. It's really good. Now our chicken fried rice is ready. Enjoy. Take care. Allah Hafiz.